Hello everyone. So today both Riley and Renee, one of my three sisters, joined me on a 5-mile hike in the Sumi Hills of the Chippewa National Forest. The trail name is Spruce Island Lake Trail, which can be found on all trails. The trail is listed as moderate due to the numerous hills. It is heavily forested, so makes seeing the lakes quite difficult. I think this would be an awesome trail during the fall color season or after leaves fall.
At least you're up and dying in the sun like we were. Good. Some patches though. That incline.
What's that?
I felt that incline a little.
That's why I did it all in one. Is it break time? Huh? You only want to do minimal hiking?
Yes.
Why?
Because I'm dying.
I thought you wanted to do 10 miles a day. Got a girl here for you.
I'll stay here. I'm walking slow.
You making it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Step over along here.
Oh God. Is this side higher over there? Maybe? This might be better.
You don't want to have your wet feet.
You want to hold this for me? I gotta tie my shoe.
Yeah. What in the hell do you think that beaver had in mind? This is about the third lake that we passed. This is called Dr. Lake. Unfortunately, the remainder of the lakes didn't have access to. This would be a cool one to paddle on. Look at that island right there. There's a campground on it. This is Spruce Island Lake. This is the other end of Spruce Island Lake. And we're having this debate why they call that Spruce Island when there's pines on it. So here's one of the campsites. Nice place to pitch a tent right underneath the big pine. There's a big lake down there. We're on the opposite side of the Dr. Lake, but you can't see anything through all the green leaves on the trees now. I'm kind of thinking this would be a better trail during the late fall or early spring. Somebody was doing a little bushcrafting. So in Riley's wisdom, she decided, because our temperatures have been so warm and humid lately, that we have to do this hike in our Hawaiian t-shirts. And I said, okay, we'll try it. So if anyone's wondering, that's why we're in Hawaiian shirts. I got my Kentucky Fried Chicken. And we're sitting here at Memorial Park in Grand Rapids eating it. No, that lunch was finger licking good.